Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this particular video, we are going to take a look at the new features available for Notes application and how to use them. I am going to guide you through each and every step. Before that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. So starting off with the first tip or the first feature is you can add colors to the paragraph or to the title, let's say to any particular text you want. So if I want to add color to this particular title, I'm going to select that particular text. And once you select the text, go and select this style option over here. And once you select that, you get a colorful dot option, which is highlight color. So when you select that particular highlight color option, you get 5 color options available for now. In future, there might be new colors available, but for now, only 5 colors are there. So if I select purple, now you can see I have, given purple color to that selected text. Similarly, if you want to give color to the paragraph, select the whole paragraph, go in the style option, select highlight color and give a particular color to that text which you have selected. So yeah, it's a interesting new cool feature. Do try it out. Now talking about the next feature is now you can record audio and you can save it into your notes. So whenever you open one particular note, you get this record audio option at the top. And if you tap on that, recording page will be open at the right hand side, and to start recording you have to press this record button which comes with red color, or you can see the red dot or red circle over here. Tap on that and the recording will be started. So now whichever thing or whatever you speak will be recorded, and once done, all you have to do is just stop it and then select done option. Now the recording will be saved over here, and you can also find the transcript for that. So in future, either you can just double tap on that and you can check out the transcription, or else you can just tap on this play option over here and you can hear the recording. Now if you want to name this recording, if you want to give a specific name, all you can do is double tap on this option over here. Recording page will be open, and select new recording over here, and then you can simply change the name. So let's say if I want to give it important note for now, and press return button to save it. So this way you can change the name for that audio, and later on you can check the audio whenever you want. Now the next interesting feature is now you can add title or heading to your notes. So let's say if I want to hide this whole paragraph under MacBook Air, then a MacBook Air should be selected as title or heading. So select that particular line or text, right click and select paragraph style over here. So if I select title for now you can see the size is increased, and now we have got a down arrow option over here. Now if I tap on that down arrow, whatever content or whatever paragraph was present under MacBook Air is now hidden, and to access it I'm going to tap on the arrow option once again, and now I can access it. But you might have noticed that not only this particular paragraph but the whole thing which was present under MacBook Air is hidden. I don't want to hide this particular part over here. So what I can do is again select MacBook Air, and instead of title, select the paragraph style to heading. But don't forget to add heading or title option to the other part as well. So if I select Apple MacBook Air M1 specs over here, right click and select paragraph style and select heading or title, whichever you want. Now what this will do is if I tap this arrow of MacBook Air, it will only hide the paragraph which is present under MacBook Air. It won't hide the other title or heading. So yeah, you can start using this title or heading option to your notes. Now the next feature is an addition of new AI feature which is known as Math Notes. So you might have seen the WWDC event which happened in June. So yeah, you can use that feature in calculator application as well as in Notes app. So what it will do is if you write any equation over here, and if you want to do the calculation, you don't have to go to calculator application each and every time. If you are in Notes application, you can just write down that equation or problem, and whenever you press is equal to option over there, you will get the answer. So yeah, to save that answer, all you have to do is you just have to press space bar and the answer will be saved. Similarly, you can use any equation you want. You can just write down the number and you can simply do the calculation for that. So if I multiply both these numbers and press is equal to, I'll get the answer, and to save it just press space bar. So yeah, you can use this math notes option to calculate anything in Notes app. So yeah, do start using this as well. Now, before ending this video, there is one important information that you should hear, and that is all these features are available with the latest Mac OS Sequoia. So if you are using older Mac OS version like Ventura or Sonoma, you won't be getting these features. To use this, update to Mac OS Sequoia. Currently beta version is available, but in September you are getting the official update. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.